Mastering car insurance coverage in Florida. Struggling to understand your car insurance? Then this video's for you. Being well informed about your car insurance options is not just beneficial, it's crucial for every driver aiming to navigate the roads with confidence and security. Florida's laws make certain insurance coverages mandatory, but there's more to car insurance than just meeting legal requirements. Let's explore what you need to know to ensure you're comprehensively protected. As a no-fault state, Florida requires you to carry personal injury protection, or PIP, and property damage liability. These coverages are just the starting point for securing your peace of mind on the road. With PIP, you and your passengers are covered for medical expenses, regardless of who's at fault in an accident, up to $10,000. Property damage liability, on the other hand, ensures that if you damage someone else's property with your vehicle, those costs are covered also, up to $10,000. These are the state-mandated minimums, but not our recommended agency standards. How many vehicles on the road today do you see that are valued at less than $10,000? Yeah, you're right, not many at all. But why stop there? At Vermos Insurance Agency, we understand that true protection goes beyond the basics. Let's delve into additional coverages that can safeguard you from the unforeseen. Collision coverage is your financial safety net for repairs to your car after an accident. Whether you hit another vehicle or a stationary object, you're covered. Comprehensive coverage, meanwhile, protects you against theft, vandalism, and natural disasters, essential in Florida's unique climate. With a significant number of uninsured drivers in Florida's roads, uninsured motorist coverage is more than just an option. It's a necessity. It protects you if an uninsured or underinsured driver causes an accident that results in injury to you or your passengers. While bodily injury liability isn't mandatory for all Florida drivers, it's critical for protecting your financial future if you're found liable for causing a serious injury or death in an accident. And with medical payments coverage, you get additional protection for medical expenses, providing an extra layer of security. At Vermos Insurance Agency, we believe in building policies that match your life, not just your budget. We will never cut corners on coverage to offer you a cheaper premium. Our commitment is to ensure you're fully protected when it matters most. Exploring your insurance options can be complex, but you're not alone. Our dedicated team of trusted insurance advisors are here to help you understand and choose the best coverages for your unique needs. Contact us today at 727-748-2886, and let's ensure you, your family, and your vehicle are protected.